Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to clear Spotify cache. There's two ways. One way is to come here, access your settings on your mobile device, and then scroll down here. We want to go to app management and then go to app list. And then I want you to scroll down until you find Spotify. It should be around S. So we need to scroll down a little bit more right here. There we go, Spotify. Click on that. And then you want to click on storage and cache right here. And then at the bottom right, you can click on clear cache, okay? And it will clear your cache. Another method is go ahead and open up Spotify. Come here at the top left, click on your profile icon, click on settings and privacy. And then you will see this option right here that says data saving and offline. I want you to click on that. And then if I scroll down here, right, you'll see this option at the bottom that says clear cache. So if I click on clear, it will give me this prompt, and then click again on clear cache, and there you go. Your cache has been cleared. Really that easy and simple.